So make sure you click like to this channel and subscribe to this channel. Yeah, and this time I'm gonna show you how I will edit this picture. So just keep watching. Again, I love photography challenge and DIY. So bye.
So guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to use 3 basic apps, which is your Canva, Photoshop Express and your basic phone camera. So this is behind the scene of how I was able to achieve these pictures. Plus, if you like this background song playing, it's played by my friend. He is a saxophonist. He has a YouTube channel. The link is in the description below. I think you should check it out, guys, and also subscribe to this channel. So without further ado, let's go to my screen where I show you how I do all the edits. So we are in Photoshop Express where I make this edit. So you can see they have various themes from black and white to portrait to white balance to nature. So I went through all the themes trying to select the one that I think was appropriate for this picture. But since I took the picture close to the mountains, I decided to use a more natural theme. Yeah, a theme that has an emphasis on the background, the green leaves, the rocks, and also on my clear skin, which is quite obvious that it's kind of what's the most visible part. So I chose that theme, I cropped the picture, and then I added an extra bit of sunlight to the picture shining from above, also in a theme because it has a lot of themes. Then I did the correction, the exposure, I reduced it, and then I kept adding colors, just playing with the app, trying to see what makes it better. And then I tried the blur. I blur a bit of the side background and made emphasis on my head to shoulder top. I added a little bit of vignette. I feathered it out because I didn't want it to show. As you can see, I was playing with the stickers, but I didn't add it at the initial. I didn't add it at the end because it wasn't really suiting. And I saved the picture. So simple as ABC. So for this second picture, you can see the picture. I cropped out some unnecessary details because the extension on the hand was a little bit too much, plus the above picture was kind of somehow, so I cropped it out and I made it like this, which you can see that I did. So as you can see, I tried few themes, but I had in mind that I wanted a black and white theme for this picture, so I kept searching for my black and white. But when I finally got the black and white, I also wanted my sweater, which is red, to show in its slightest bit, I mean to say. So I actually went for the theme that had the sweater color popping out a little bit, and then I really didn't do much edit to this picture because I just wanted it to be plain black and white. So I didn't add any extras theme. So I tried some out to see if it would look better, but I didn't do it. So the camera was so clear, so I didn't have to put vignette, I didn't have to put any other thing apart from I just changed the background to a black and white. So I saw it was okay, and I just saved the picture, and guys, it turned out so good. So we are over to Canva. Yes, Canva is what I use to edit my YouTube thumbnail. So now we're just gonna select the picture I edited from Photoshop Express, which is this picture. I'm gonna widen it. Yeah, I left some spaces in the edges, the white spaces in the edges on purpose. So then I'm just going to import the icons of the app. So if you want to know how I was able to get these icons, I will do a tutorial on the next video. I was able to remove the backgrounds of all these pictures from the icon. So that was what I just did. I just inputted in the picture. I added a shape, a circle shape, where I wrote the 2-minute photo challenge. Yes, I added a shade. So I changed the circle to color white, and then I added text to the circle. I made the text color blue, dark blue. So yeah, I made that. Then I added the text. I made it to very big. Then I added the minutes. Then I added the photo, and then I added the text for the challenge on it. So it kind of made it look so unique, professional. This yeah, so all I just did after was just to add a bit of a text in the middle where I wrote edit with me, just to make it look a bit attractive. Let them know that I'm actually editing the picture and also what my content is about. So this is how I did everything. And guys, I saved the picture, and these are all the results from Photoshop Express to Canva, and I was able to make this wonderful design on my phone with ease at a very short time. So
It was so much fun, and we're going to like this video and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more photography challenges. I love photography. No, photography. Photos. I got it right. Okay, bye.